Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my makeup wish list, and this is basically like what is on my wish list for the Christmas season. And I think this is a lot of fun. It's kind of reminiscent of that tag that was going around, what's in my Sephora and Ulta dream cart situation. And this is kind of reminiscent of that, and I actually did choose 5 products from Sephora and 5 products from Ulta. So I thought it would be a lot of fun and just to put it on my Christmas wish list. Why not? It's not like I can't afford these items or I haven't asked for them or whatever. It's just items that I was like scrolling through. I'm like, oh, this would be nice. Like, okay, if this was under the tree for Christmas time, I would be happy about it. So if you want to see what I put on my list, just keep on watching. If you were wondering about the eye look that I have going on today, I did use my Golden Empire palette from Ebin, New York. You guys know I love Ebin and I love their products. They have so many amazing palettes and their formulation is really good. So I did film this video for a Instagram IGTV, so it's on there, or if you want to watch it on TikTok, I have that video on there right now. So if you want to watch that, go ahead and head over there. I also have links to my social medias down below in the description box. But before we move on, don't forget, if you like drugstore makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload, and if you could like the video if you like it. But other than that, let's just get right into it. First, I'm going to talk about the products that I chose from Ulta Beauty, and this was really easy because they have so many great things. So the first item on my cart is the ABH Eye Collection Palette Vault, and it retails for $65. This is crazy. This is not something that I would purchase for myself. I feel like that's just a big price to pay. I don't like paying that much for makeup. I just feel like, ugh. But it's on my wish list and it's guaranteed that's going to be under my tree. This is something that I would choose. It's a really nice, and the sultry palette is one that I've really been wanting to try. A lot of people love it and the shades look really nice and sultry and just really pretty. So this is definitely a palette that's well loved by a lot of people, and I think I would get a lot of use out of it, as well as the packaging is so gorgeous. And I believe this was also a holiday release like a couple years ago or something. And then it comes with the ABH eyeshadow primer, which I've actually heard mixed things about. Some people love it, some people don't. But you know, it comes with that. It comes with their eyeliner. I love eyeliner. You guys know I love doing my wings all the time, so that's definitely something that I would get use out of. And their mascara with the hourglass shaped wand. You guys know that's my favorite type of wand when it comes to mascara, and I bet that their formulation is amazing. I used to be in love with the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced, and I love the wand of that mascara. I feel like it just gives you a lot of volume and length. But you guys know, like, now that I'm wearing lashes, I'm not really like looking into mascaras as much as I used to, but it looks like a really nice one. So that's the first item that I chose from Ulta. The second item on my cart is the Juvia's Place Nubian Royalty Gift Set, and this retails for $26, which is actually not that bad. And as you can see, it comes with a 6-pan palette with purples in it. It looks really beautiful, and 2 lip balms. And funny enough, I actually planned this video a couple weeks back, so I had chosen the pictures and stuff and just waiting for the day when I could film it. Enchanted Rose Beauty here on YouTube, Marissa, she actually did a video using these little kits. I believe there's 2 of them. There's the orange palette and then there's this purple one. So if you want to watch her video, go ahead and check her out. She's really amazing. I really love her channel. I actually collabed with her a while back, and she's just a really amazing person, so check her out. And yeah, so her content is really good. If you love makeup and you like drugstore makeup and high-end makeup, she does a variety of things on her channel, so definitely check her out. She did a video using this product and it looked really nice. I don't like that it comes with balms. I honestly didn't even notice that. I thought those were lipsticks, but this is a really nice palette. After watching her video, she said that she didn't really recommend them, but there's some other palettes that she recommended I try, so I do want to pick some of those up. As soon as they restock them, I really want to try Juvia's Place formulation. I've heard so many great things about them, so yeah, that's the second thing on my list. So this one, like, this is something that I don't need, okay? I don't need it in my collection. You guys know, it's funny because I'm always saying, like, I'm not a huge gloss person, but then every time that I'm on camera with you guys, I'm wearing a gloss, so I guess I am a gloss person. But I stick to the same formulation, same colors. You guys know this is the Remy Rose lip gloss from the 99-cent store, and it's really gorgeous. It's in the shade Annabelle, and I just love wearing this lip gloss, and this is just the one that I reach for the most. out of all my lip glosses in my collection. So this is the Ulta Lip Glossary Kit, and it was $18 and it's retailing for $9.99 right now. And this, just as soon as I saw it on Instagram, it's just beautiful. I don't know what it is. It's just like the packaging of them is gorgeous. Just the shade variations that we get, the selection of shades that they chose, it just looks so beautiful. So this is something that I just am aesthetically drawn towards, but not something practical for me. I'm not going to use every single shade, I already know it, but it would be really nice just to have one or two. But I mean, I like the Ulta lip gloss formula. I've had one before and they're really nice, really lightweight and comfortable on the lips. They're nice. Okay, I've talked about this before, but I don't need a whole vault full of just lip glosses. I was excited about this, and at first I thought they were liquid lipsticks, and I would have bought it honestly if they were liquid lipsticks, but it's a lip glossary, so not something that I would pick up for myself. But you know, for a Christmas wish list, why not throw this in here? It's really pretty and yeah, really nice, and I love the packaging of these glosses. Next item is the Ardell 12 Days of Wispies Advent Calendar, which retailed for $39.99 and is on sale for $23.99. Funny enough, I actually saw that Little Miss Nat here on YouTube did a video unboxing this. I actually watched it and she got a lot of nice styles in there, so this is definitely something that's really beautiful and really caught my eye because I've really been into lashes, as you guys know. So trying different styles, especially from Ardell. I've never tried anything from Ardell, and everybody's just obsessed with their lashes, so I'm sure they're really good quality, and they just looked really fun, and just to surprise yourself and see what lash styles you get in the box. So the last product from Ulta Beauty is the Pure x Barbie Dream House Vault, and this retails for $148. Now I believe that each one does come like individually sold, but you know, if we're gonna go there, we're gonna go big. Okay, go big or go home. So this is a Pure x Barbie collection.
Yo, I actually own the last Barbie palette. That dog keeps barking. Why? It's like the first time I feel. What is that?
If you guys watch my palette collection video, you guys know that I own the last Pure x Barbie collection palette, and it's really gorgeous, and oh, I just love it. I love the packaging. It's beautiful and it just smells so good. It feels luxurious. So when I saw this, that they were going to come out with another collection, I was really excited, and I just have always loved Barbie. When I was little, I had Barbies galore. I used to take them showers. I used to like choose their outfits for them. I loved Bratz as well. So Barbie and me, you know, we have a little connection going on, and just the collection is gorgeous. It's really pretty. I really wanted to pick up that face palette, but I'm like, I mean, I don't need it. But if we're going to go there, like I said, this is definitely on the wish list. It comes with a lot of goodies in here. You get a lipstick, you get a face palette, you get a eyeshadow palette. It looks like highlight blush, a lip gloss or something. It's just nice. And you know, $148 is a lot, but if anyone can do it, Santa could do it. So that's why it's on my makeup Christmas wish list. So now we're gonna move on to what I chose from Sephora. So the first thing on my list is this, and this is a Ciaté London times Miss Piggy VIP Very Important Pig collection. It retails for $59 and supposedly the value is $67. Okay, so it comes with a sponge that has little Piggy nose on it. It comes with a lipstick, I believe, or a lip balm or something, and a face palette. Oh my god, so cute. You guys know I love pigs. I want to own a pig. One day I'll do it, and I prefer like those little baby teacup pigs, but I heard that they do grow big anyway, so I don't know. But I have always wanted a pig, and I don't know why, but that's my thing. I always had like the little, as a kid I always had like those little stuffed pigs, and I just love pigs. I don't know why. Okay, it's just a thing. I don't know. And I like Miss Piggy as well. I love her little attitude, and she's just so adorable and sassy. So she's like definitely my aesthetic, and I love Miss Piggy. So when I saw that they were coming out with a collection, you know, this is the first thing that I added into my cart when I decided to do this video. It's really adorable. It kind of sucks that they didn't do an eyeshadow palette, but we get so many. It's like, whatever, it's fine. It's a really adorable collection, and this is definitely something that will remain on my wish list. Not sure if I need it in my collection, but at least like the face palette would be really cute, and just the collection looks so adorable. The next product on my wish list is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Glossy Pussy Mini Gloss Bomb set, and this is a holo daze edition. It was retailing for $36. At the moment it's $25.50. So this looks like a really nice little collection of glosses. I've heard that their gloss formula is amazing. I believe these are minis, right? Yeah, mini gloss. So these are really cute. Just to try them out, this would be a really nice buy, and the shades look really beautiful. You're not getting too many, but you're getting a bang for your buck. I feel like you get 4 for $25. Not sure how much the full sizes are, but I've heard so many great things about these glosses, so I thought I'd add some to the cart. Next item is from Marc Jacobs. It's their blurred and bronzed primer, setting powder, and bronzer set, and it was retailing for $78, and now it is $54.50. It comes with a bronzer, it comes with a primer, and the setting powder as I said earlier. I just repeated it for no reason. So it looks really nice. Again, I've heard so many great things about Marc Jacobs, and they're a very luxurious brand. Everybody wants them, everybody owns them. It's like a thing. So why not add the bronzer in here and, you know, make it a kit or whatever. It looks really cute, and I've heard really great things about their bronzers. Everybody loves them. So yeah, and I love trying new setting powders. It's just a thing. And the primer looks really nice as well. So definitely had to add this to the cart. 2 more products in my Christmas wish list. The next one is from Milk Makeup. Here for the Party mini face set, retailing for $39, now on sale for $27. And it basically comes with a mascara, a liner, that face primer I've really been wanting to try. I heard it's really amazing and that it keeps your foundation on for long periods of time. The Milk Makeup, it looks like something for your face. I'm not sure what that is, but it looks really nice. I've actually seen those at TJ Maxx, so if you're interested in Milk Makeup, go check them out. They've been having those like little primer sticks there, so for cheaper, you know. So it looks really nice. I would love to try this. It comes with a liner, you guys know, mascara, I love all that, and the primer and all of that. So it looks really nice and definitely something that I would want to try, which is why I added it to the cart. And for the last product, this is actually something that I was contemplating purchasing, like for real, not on my Christmas wish list. This is a SmashBox Always On liquid lipstick set, and it retailed for $25. It's on sale for $12.50. It looks really pretty. The shades are gorgeous and just something that I would use. Like, all these shades are beautiful and definitely my style. So we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget, I upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I'll have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a little makeup finds from drugstore to high-end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person, you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one.